Hi, I'm Mrs. Taylor from Windthorst Library, and I wanted to start showing some videos that patrons can watch on our Facebook page. This first one is all about Libby, so I'm going to be showing you how I can find things that I want to listen to or read on Libby. I love Libby a lot, and over the past few months, I have listened to a lot of Libby books. I made a little display behind me, and this just will show you all of the books I read on Libby this summer. And the great thing about Libby is you can read your books by listening to them on audiobooks. So most of these I read outside when I was walking my dog, pulling weeds in the garden, pulling weeds in the pasture, painting outside. Any sort of jobs that I could do, I could just put my audiobook on and work. So it's awesome, and I really love it. So if you're kind of wondering about it, my next bit of the video is going to be about how to actually find some of these books.